as you can see, these are numbers that we are going to use to draw two birds. So you look at what I'm going to do. So with the first one, as you can see, you draw shape there, then you come to this side, you also draw one. After that, you draw something like this. Then you come to this side. Then quickly you draw the eyes. You shade inside. Then you come here as well. Do the same thing. So you're having something like this. Okay, so what you are going to do is that you are going to join here to this side, then you draw another one, then this way, this way, this way. Good. After that, then you are going to now join here. You bring it up, do the same thing to here, you bring it down, up. So you have something like this. After that, you are going to bring this one down, bring it up. The same thing as you have done here, you are repeating it here. You have this up. So with this, you've drawn two nice birds. Good.